Jam permanently interrupts programs to giving you an emergency announcement from EPS. Please stay tuned to this channel. At 1:30 p.m., the Priceline Pharmacy IPSWH Riverlink Shopping Center is exploded entire. The shopping center. The piece of the shopping center is flying on the sky, on the town's Cross, Queensland and Gold Coast. For now, regular updates is available on radio, TV, or websites. Regular programs permanently suspended until further notice. To news coverage, please switch to Channel 9 for ABC News 24.